2, 1. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today it is Sunday the 14th. I have not recorded the trade recap. I could have done it Friday or Saturday. I've just been really busy. Honestly, I'm lying. I got really distracted with a bunch of other stuff that I was doing. I could have made time, but this is what I get. I'm doing this all late. It's currently 7:30 right now, so I'm just gonna record this real quick, post this, and yeah. This week was slight profit. 1 win, 1 loss, 3 break evens. I had a lot of break evens, but honestly, it's way better than I got a little bit not upset, but I was like, damn, I wish I was up more. But sometimes this happens. This is a lot better than like a bunch of like the couple weeks or like not even a couple, like a good amount towards the beginning. Like I was down a lot, and this is definitely a lot better than those weeks. Not as good as last week. Obviously, last week was my best week, but this week Monday I'm looking at my other monitor now. Monday, I had a profit day of 550. Tuesday and Wednesday, I broke even. Like, I was probably like 10, 15 bucks. Yeah, 10, 15 bucks. Thursday was my only loss day, $260 loss. Friday was break even. Total of like 329, 330. So, yeah, let me get into it. So, going into this day, it was already past 9, and we've already closed below a 4-hour fair value gap. So I expected price to at least push down all the way down here. But obviously, I wanted to take just my piece of the pie and just be into the trading and get out. So in this day, I believe I took it off a... What is it? It was a 5-minute, yeah. It was a 5-minute fair value gap with a 2-minute inverse fair value gap right here. Right now I'm on the 2-minute time frame, as you see. So that was that. It was a very nice trade going on today. Also, I think, pre-market, we took out this high. I think we had a freaking 4-hour fair value gap to the left of us on Monday. Taking a quick check. We did not. Sorry, I'm tripping. No, that's what it was, guys. We inversed the 4-hour. I already said that. I thought we had a 4-hour fair value of rejection, but we did not. It's all good, though. So that was that. Overall, bearish time frame. I'm pretty sure a lot of people won this day. It was quite obvious, But for some people, it probably wasn't. But for the people that trade like I do, probably a lot of people hit on this. But yeah, it was very nice. 1 to 2 RR, 1.22. 2.22, yeah. But yeah. Next day is Tuesday. We broke even. So this day, going into the day, we just took out these lows. It was quite obvious. Took out those lows. If you see a little gray, actually no, that's a wick. Did we take out those lows? Yeah, we took out those lows by a little bit. ES did not take out those lows, as you can see. As soon as I saw this, we had a 2-minute inverse fair value gap. I think that was the highest time frame. Took that. Entered me right there at the wick. Broke even right here. Hit my break even. Ended up hitting TP anyways. As you can see, this trade would have never lost. So that's nice. But that's the strategy. You gotta stick to it. And that's how you eventually become profitable. Not profitable yet, but we're working towards it. So as you can see, we were still at least targeting at least those highs were gonna get hit. I think we were at least hitting those highs. But these highs were very obtainable. These highs were, So for this trade, it was a 5-minute continuation, 5-minute fair value gap tap, 30-second inverse. So I was like, all right, it's a very quick break even. So I could just rally up or it just stops me out and I'm already out for the day. It's fine. It happens. Honestly, no, yeah. Regardless, I was gonna say even if I targeted right here at this high, this trade would have gone break even regardless. Let's say I targeted like right here. This could have been a nice 1-to-1, I would say. But I got a little, not greedy, but maybe just because it's like already past 12, I could have just stick with my profits, just done a quick little 1-to-1. I don't think I risked a lot on this trade anyways. But yeah, after that, I didn't really pay attention to the market. I was already up by then. And yeah, Tuesday, break even. It's fine with that. You got to live with it. Same thing with Wednesday. Another break even. Man. So this day, I believe, yes, we had a 15-minute fair value gap tap. right here to the left of us, and then we ended up taking off a 30-second inverse fair value gap around this level. Believe we broke even right here. So obviously broke even, and then I got break even, got me out of the trade. At this point, I was looking for more continuations to the downside. There's a 5-minute fair value gap up right here, but we didn't get an invert. I mean, the condition got invalidated. I believe we closed over the 5 minutes, so I wasn't really, looking to take it. And then we ended up going lower anyways. What low did we take out? We didn't really take out a low. We just kind of went a little lower. And then went up after that. Really nothing to look at. I just got off. I'm fine. Ah, man. I mean to do that. Use 3 fingers instead of 2. What's it gonna call it? What do I trade? Not trade. Record on again? I forgot the name. I literally use it every day. Not every day, every week. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I don't really feel like editing that out. I'm tired. The only thing I try to do everything in one take and make sure I don't mess up. Usually I just edit out the first part of the thing, me just setting up everything, and then me towards the end just chop up the last part of me just clicking stop record. But I'm getting off track. Doesn't really matter. Thursday versus 260. I did follow my trading plan. Honestly, what I learned from this day, just stay loyal to the plan no matter what, win or lose. Don't get off tilt. I realized after this I was kind of upset, and I low-key wanted to take another trade, but I'm glad I didn't, because honestly, the only thing that kind of looked good maybe is not even then. Yeah, honestly, I probably wouldn't have found anything anyways. So this day, I believe there's a 1 hour fair value gap around here, tapped a 15-minute also, and we had a nice little 1 minute inversion around this level. As you can see, it was a very small 1 minute, but it had a nice little break-even point. Just break even right here real quick. Very small fair value, very small. It was a nice 1 to 2.3. I was targeting these highs right here, as you can see. And yeah, I lost on it. It's fine. I haven't taken a loss in a while, but as long as the losses make sense, it's fine. It happens. And obviously, we don't want to take a lot of losses. But if y'all ever have any suggestions on some of these trades, if y'all trade somebody like me, I'm always open. Just depending. I mean, obviously, as long as I don't know, just people that obviously trade like me. Obviously, I wouldn't take advice from someone that trades supply and demand, this and that. Wouldn't make sense to switch up the strategy if obviously I was messing up somewhere. But usually it's one of my friends that because my friend Elijah and my friend Edgar, we usually give each other we tell each other certain things about what's wrong, what was wrong with the inversion, if I did something wrong, if they did something wrong. Yeah, Friday, risk 300. Did I follow my trading plan? Yes and no. I was trying to think why I didn't follow it. So during this trade, I believe I took it off a 2-minute inversion. Yeah, it was a 2-minute. Damn, I've been using a lot of 2-minute inversions lately. It was a 2-minute inversion around right here. But where I messed up is whenever I was flipping time frames, oh, 2 minutes good, 3 minutes good. Hold on, 3 minute. Do we have an fair value? I'm oh, we're good, we're chilling. I didn't see at the 4 minute, man. We had a 4 minute right here where it's still on. I was man, I shouldn't have taken this. We were on a 4 minute at the time. So now it didn't make sense to take it. So I was already in this trade, so what am I gonna do? Get out of it? I was in drawdown, so I was you know what? I think price is at least gonna go to this 5 minute fair value gap. It's very high chance. So discretionally, I was just you know what? I'm just gonna stay in the trade. We're gonna tap that 5 minute, and I'm gonna go break even. Got break even, which is fine. Way better than just taking a loss, because I would have lost on this trade if I never got out. So that was nice. Broke even at the 5 minute. I was all right, I'm safe. Boom, got stopped out. All right, cool. And then we ended up going lower. After that, I just didn't take anything. Simple as that. I just didn't really want to, I didn't feel like taking anything. Not that I didn't feel like taking anything. I just had a strong feeling there was really going to be maybe little to no opportunity. I didn't really see any 5 minutes get tapped into. As you can see, maybe you could have taken something during, I mean, even PM. PM looked worse. Maybe there's a trade around right here. We did tap into this 5 minute, maybe 30-second inversion around this level. Who knows what's here? I just, at this point, I don't care. I'm gonna get off, and I'm gonna carry on with my day. I don't like to be on the charts too much. Just want to be in and out. But yeah, anyways, tomorrow it is Monday the 15th. It's gonna be a new day, new trading day, new day. Just new day. What else is there to say? You know, the routine. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, and I'll see ya next Sunday.